Hello everyone, and welcome to this presentation on how to improve your teaching in terms of the updated English Language Secondary Education program. I will give you a series of presentations with plenty of good advice on how to achieve some of the learning objectives, and I'm going to give you some great ideas on how to successfully bring the Grade 2 learning objectives from the course plan into your classroom. So, now let's take a look at some of the learning objectives from the Grade 2 course plan. Let's talk about Unit 3 of the program. This has the topic of My School, with the subtopic of School Days. Here we see a learning objective of reading. So, how can teachers organise their activities for Grade 2 R1, read and spell out words for others? The learning objectives for this objective might be: all learners will be able to listen and respond to some commands. Most learners will be able to listen and respond to all commands, and some learners will be able to give commands. First, write a sequence of familiar words on the board following a 1-2, 1-2 pattern. For example, whale, shark, whale, shark, whale, then add a space and a space. Be sure to read the sequence rhythmically and encourage your students to join in and supply the last two missing words. Then repeat the procedure with other word sequences from the same lexical set. For example, fish, turtle, crab. Fish, turtle, space, space. This is a 1-2-3, 1-2-3 pattern. Or dolphin, octopus, octopus, dolphin, octopus, space, space. This is a 1-2-2-1, 1-2-2 pattern. Next, ask your students to copy and complete the word sequences in their copybooks. Now check their answers by asking your students to read the word sequences aloud. Finally, ask them to invent and write more sequences using words from the same lexical set. This activity gives children practice in writing and reading familiar words. The logical deductive element involved in working out what comes next in the sequence ensures that they are also cognitively engaged. Through reading the word sequences aloud in a rhythmic way, children are helped to predict what comes next. The use of rhythm while reading also helps children to memorize the written form of the words. For formative assessment, we will use peer assessment. When your students are ready, have them exchange their copybooks with a partner and then read and spell each other's word sequences. For this activity, you can use the resource from the slide. This was one of our ideas. We invite you to add your own. Thank you for your attention and good luck.